Alright, hi guys. Today we're gonna make Brussels sprouts. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I do it. Just gonna add a little bit of regular oil. It was already on the fire. So first I'm gonna add some onions. A little bit until they like almost golden. Now I'm gonna add some peppers and carrots. Ooh. A little garlic. It already smells good. I think onion gives that smell and taste. Now I'm gonna add 3 potatoes. I'm gonna just cut it like that. Like this. It's gonna take 2 spoons. It's easier to mix, at least for me. I'm gonna add these Brussels sprouts. I'm gonna mix all this. Like that. Also adding, this is a European style smoked meat. And it's beef. It gives a little bit of a different kind of taste and smell that at least we like, but it's really good. You can try it. Just a little bit, nothing a lot. I cut it into pieces and we're gonna mix that. Now, while this thing is frying a little bit, we're gonna now add the seasoning. Turmeric. Parsley, a little bit of pepper, and then that Bosnian seasoning or European, however you want to call it, it's called the vegeta. Instead of salt, but you can add salt as well. I'm gonna mix that again. This is so good, already smells so good. Now, what we like to do, we like to add this kind of seasoning mixed with the water to give the like little bit thickness. But if you don't have this, you can buy, you can just put a flour and water and mix it together. I will mix it in here. But I won't do a lot. I'll just do half of this. And then I'm gonna add some water. I'm gonna mix this so it doesn't get burned. And a little bit of oil. Then you can mix this very well, and you can just do the flour and put some paprika inside instead of, you know, this, and then pour it inside, because this is gonna cook for good, maybe add a little more water. This is gonna cook for maybe 35 to 45 minutes. I'm gonna add more water and then mix it again together. Cover it and let it sit for a little bit. We'll come back to check on it.